Just got my foot checked and we're about to go running. How long have you been injured now, Dan?
It'll be 2 weeks on Saturday.
2 weeks, so we'll be out for the same. What did you do?
I rolled my ankle going into clean a ruck.
Oh, you either stepped on someone's foot or the field was just...
Oh, the field.
It could have been the field, mate.
Yes.
East was the game that I returned last year to. This year, it might happen again. Which ankle was it?
My right ankle.
Right ankle. We'll see how our running goes, our rehab running.
Yeah.
Pretty excited for it.
Rehab crew reunited.
Rehab crew reunited. All right, let's do this. We're just arriving at the AstroTurf. We'll set the camera up. Do I have your consent, Freddie? You can say no. It's just YouTube. Back in the rehabs, that's... So if we're on the camera again. The plan that the physios gave me, is to get back into the running tech stuff to introduce the load through the foot again. And before I start that, let's just show you guys what the others are doing. Some kind of race. Yeah, Natani's got this in the bag.
Of course I'm not going to be able to jump.
So that felt good. Feels alright, especially during this stuff. Quick dribbles or ace kicks. It's been fine, and physio said if I get any pain, then I gotta like dial back, let them know. So right now it's pretty good, no pain, except for the muscle soreness that I mentioned to the physios, which is all good. All that rehab stuff is done for today, and I'm supposed to go to the gym, but I asked if I could go watch the boys for a bit. They're doing lineouts right now. Just want to have a look. Oh, shaky. Show you guys what they're up to today, and then we'll head over to the gym. So our seconds, thirds, and our prems, seconds and thirds are about to go against each other in the lineouts. Let's see.
Hold it. Stay high. Alright, good set. Alright, go one more. Then we'll swap it over.
T, stay on, 5 in.
Go.
Try time. Give us a pose. Give us a pose. So this footage may or may not be included in the video, but we're gonna capture it anyway. So Tuesday. I'm gonna do some ball skills before training starts. Left hand single pass. Yeah, let's get it.
Let's get one of those tripods.
Hey?
Which had the tripods too.
It's in the locker room.
Really like... yeah, try this.
There we go. I just wanted to be able to see it. Smart.
See if you can rest it on or something.
There we go. Bob's your uncle. We spent a bit of time doing some passing. Usually Anthony and I would pick something, roll with it, any kind of skill work that we might want to do before training. I was in this thing for a week after that West game. Did a little thing, had a little pop in my foot, and then was in this. X-ray showed no fractures, which is good. And then after coming out of out of this moon boot. Just started progressing from there, and today, Tuesday's training of the East round, we got to run and it felt good. So we're on track to play this week. And now, gotta say goodbye to the boot. Shane. The boot. It's time to say goodbye to the boot. So I will leave it here for you. Okay, catch you later.
Love your work.
You want some stretches? Bust the move. One of my strikes sort of relaxed the foot. That one hurt my foot a little bit, just a little bit, but on my way down it's gotten better. It's gotten a lot better. I should stop the session here. Today is Wednesday, so we still got Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday game day to make sure this foot is right. Yeah, I was about to go finish the session. It's just one more 50, rest, and then one lot of 100 meters. But we should stop. We should stop. Only kidding, only kidding. I was just pretending. It's the moment of truth. It's time to find out whether or not I'm going to be able to play this Saturday. There he is. My guy, Anthony. Anthony. Extras, extras. All right. It's a bit windy. Freddie. All right. Okay. Do some passing with my setup. Let's do this.
Oh my goodness. Hey. Just spiraling. You're making me dizzy, eh? I'm just trying to, like, everything's moving. Me. How's these where are they sitting on your table?
That was a forward pass.
Ah! I was well in front. Ooh.
Oh yeah, the boys are getting ready. Third grade, eh, Des? Let's go. Let's go, Lily. Well, here we are, game day. I didn't capture any footage on Thursday's training, but we ended up getting cleared and was able to play against Easts. This was an awesome day for our 5th, 4th and 3rd grades. All 3 teams getting the wins. And that game I played for thirds was just one that I will remember for a long time. It was just such an enjoyable game.
Dragons on 3! 1, 2, 3! Dragons! Alright boys, let's go!
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching how we prepared for the Easts week. And if you want to follow along what happens throughout my weeks when I'm training, follow the social medias. You'll be able to keep up with more regular updates. But that's all for today. See you in the next one.